Hey, welcome back. For today's Swiss Army knife, we have the perfect addition to your assault rifle in the form of the Victorinox FASS 90. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. The Victorinox FASS 90 was introduced in 2015 as a replacement for the Wenger STGW 90, and the FASS 90 was developed for a Swiss hunting and shooting sports equipment company. FASS is a French acronym for Fusil d'Assaut. I don't speak very good French, but it basically is the assault rifle. So as we see here, this is new in the box. We have no part number or anything on the outside of the box. So we'll open it up and take a look. We do get our standard care, use, and maintenance pamphlet. Now this is a 91mm knife, 3 layers. Right at 11/16 scale to scale, just a shade above, so it's in between 11/16 and 3/4. But it adds a unique rifle sight tool, which we'll look at here in just a moment, to the regular Spartan model, and it is a bit thicker than the normal 3-layer knife because it has 3 aluminum liners on each side of that middle layer. Obviously features black cellular scales with markings for sight adjustment on the rifle, and it carried an identifier number of 03.610. So we get our keychain, or key ring I should say, in the post 91 location. We get our 4-turn solid corkscrew, our post 1985 reamer awl with the sewing eye and sharpened edge, the full opening layer with the can opener and precision screwdriver. They can also double as a Phillips. The cap lifter wire bender, 90-degree stop, and hollow ground screwdriver. Which is stiff. And then we get our sight adjustment tool. Just spring load it. Obviously the sight for this rifle has a little groove in the top of the front post. And as far as what the actual indicators are for, I'm not 100% sure. Obviously I can determine left and right. And then T and H I'm not sure of. I'm sure one is windage and elevation, depending on how you hold it into the sight, whether you're going in the top or whether you're going in the side. We get our standard main blade, and for tang stamp, which is going to be kind of hard to see, you get Switzerland, Swiss made stainless. And then the officer Swiss on the back. Again, that standard tang stamp has been in use by Victorinox since 2011. Then you get your small pen blade. Get the toothpick. And the tweezers. of struggle with these black scales. So alrighty, the only knife that I can think of that would be directly related to this is the Wenger STG90 or STGW90, and I'll try to roll a picture in. But that about does it for this knife. If you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.